Okay, come on. I see footprints. Look over here. It looks like they came. The bunny was on the wall?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he must have came in from this door. Follow the footprints. Where do they go? Where do they go? Wait, they're up there.
There.
I see them. Where'd they go? Follow them. I see. Where are they? Right here. Follow them. Oh, I see a carrot. He must have ate a carrot.
Oh my god.
I see them on the wall. Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh.
Here, bring it over here.
You got a new one.
Here.
You got a new one?
Oh my goodness.
I broke my other one.
Uh-huh. Look at all that stuff there.
Iron Man! Look at Iron
I
Man.
see.
Iron Man's cool.
What else you get you?
Well, a super Power Ranger.
Oh, that's your own little hand stuff.
That's Spider-Man.
Oh, snap.
Oh snap. Look at all those stuff. A new one. You got a lot of stuff here. Piggy birds. The footprints.
Oh, that's a cool new water bottle. The
Football
football water bottle.
ball. No more drinks for. Oh my gosh.
What is it? Turn it around so I can see.
A pumpkin.
Pumpkin sunglasses.
Yeah, the glow in the dark.
Uh-huh.
What the? This is gonna be so cool. More dogs. Before you go
A
in
ghost.
there. A ghost. That's scary, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow!
Oh, that's a game that you play with the ball. Spider-Man one.
What the curse?
What's that?
I think. You want to open this?
Okay, let's see what else you got. What is it?
It's a car.
Oh, sweet. What else is in here?
Oh my gosh. What the curse?
Oh, here, let me see. I'll show you. Put it on Mama's finger. Wait, hold on. Look. Wow. Careful. Put it on your finger. I'll show you in a minute. What else is in the box, baby? What's in your basket?
Oh, it's for the back before you get it. Make more.
Mm-hmm.
A Spider-Man.
Yeah, buddy. There's candy in there.
You make stuff.
Oh, yeah?
You make them. Oh, that's the two of them.
Sweet.
See? Follow the footprints.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you kill it.
Oh, what's that?
You can't hide that.
What else is in there?
This is cool. A car.
Oh, cool.
He was walking up and down.
Uh-huh.
He killed him for it.
Uh-huh.
He was coming to the house.
Yeah.
They were talking the door was from there. All those things were. And what bones was.
Yeah, see, you see his footprints on the wall? Right there.
Oh, one. What's that over there?
What is it? Maybe there's eggs out there he hid.